Hi guys, this is Angelina. So thank you for watching me. So since it's rain, I'm gonna do a rainy craft today. So I'm gonna make a paper umbrella with raindrops. But when the raindrops are gonna dry, it's gonna look just like rain, clear ones. So we're gonna need for that Elmer's glue, liquid one, a Elmer's glue that's not liquid, glue stick, 3 kinds of pipe cleaners because I'm going to do 3 kinds of umbrellas. You could do how much you want, but I'm just going to do 3. We need paper, and we need scissors, and 3 kinds of umbrella. They're called cupcake liners. They're going to be like the umbrella, so we're going to fold them like that. So let's get started. First, we are going to need, you could do any color, but I'm just going to start with pink. Cut it, like a little piece so we can glue it. Not that small though. Okay, this one, and now let's do a little, so it's like a holder to hold. Now we are gonna need to make a hole in these, so it's like a little bit sticking out like all the time, and then fold it. Whoa. Perfect. Now let's glue it. I'm ready to glue it. So you can do it wherever you want. I'm going to do it right here. Let's get the not liquid glue because it's for the raindrops. It's not for the umbrella. So how one worked. Let's do the other one. So now we're going to need green. Do green. With green with red. Yeah. Let's do the same thing. Cut it. Okay. Just like this. Now, I'm just going to do this first. Bend it like the holder. Make a little hole with it. Hard to make holes, not pointy enough. Okay. Now let's fold it. It looks cute. So here's my umbrella. Second umbrella. Now let's glue it. Turn it over. Glue it. Put a lot because so you have like space, like a lot of glue so it sticks, not like fall. Second one. So I'm done with my third umbrella. It's right here. 2 right here and 1 right here. So now we're going to do the raindrops. We're going to do them. I know they're going to be white, but when they dry, we're going to take a photo. It needs to dry a long time, and it's going to be like clear, just like rain. So we need liquid glue this time. And do little drops. Don't the big ones. Little tiny drops. Glue. All over. Not smushed together. Last one right here. So I'm done with my drops. Now you need to put it like this so they went down A little bit, just like a little bit. See, they're kind of going down already. One is on the umbrella, but it's okay. When you put it down, they'll stop. Because right now I'm just putting it up. That's why they're going like that. So I hope you like this project. So thank you for watching me. Bye.